You need to hear this if you're worried about your health. Extra weight might be hurting you more than you realize. Being overweight isn't just about how you look. It can lead to serious health issues. For starters, carrying extra pounds puts a strain on your heart. This can lead to high blood pressure and even heart disease. Not to mention, it makes it harder to breathe, causing problems like sleep apnea. Plus, it can lead to type 2 diabetes, which means your body can't use sugar properly. That's a big deal because it affects your energy levels and overall health. And don't forget about your joints. Extra weight can cause pain in your knees and hips, making it hard to move around. So, staying at a healthy weight isn't just about looks, it's about feeling good and staying healthy. Take small steps today for a healthier tomorrow. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight, from his website richardmante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribe to get future awesome videos. Thank you for watching.